Good evening, friends. Today is 5th of May 2023. आज निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी दोनों काफ़ी गैप डाउन ओपनिंग हुआ. As we can see, Nifty gave an opening at around 18,170, and you can see this huge gap down opening. And as soon as the market opened, we had a huge gap down opening, and as soon as the market opened, there was an instant buying in the market. But the interesting fact was that, this candle, the first candle that you see, though I have put this in a 15 minutes time frame, but this momentum happened so quickly that it was very, very difficult to catch. And I made an entry somewhere around here in the second candle. Once this first candle gave me like a buy signal, so I made an entry somewhere around here, and I was expecting Nifty to fill this gap. And if we do see a retracement, maybe we'd see some retracement out here and some price action. And if the market has to continue upward, it can continue upward, or if the market would come down. But somewhere around this level, there was some selling pressure and instant sell-off started happening. And we can see out here, Nifty came all the way down and took a support at around this level. That's around 18,100. Then we saw a slight pullback and again a downtrend in the market, and we saw a closing at around 18,055. The day high was about 18,216. But now the reason why did Nifty and Bank Nifty fall so much? As you all must be aware that Msci has updated that it will adjust the index weightage factor to 0.5 from earlier expected 1 in the upcoming merger. As you must have heard that about the merger of Hdfc Bank and Hdfc. So once this twin becomes a single entity, then the weightage that overall that it affect on Nifty would be brought down to 0.5. So that was the reason why we saw this huge selling pressure and panic in the market. We saw this panic selling. And the news is that Hdfc and Hdfc Bank combined lost about 64,000 crore in market cap, and we saw a plunge of almost 6%. So huge panic, huge downfall in the market. A little bit tricky, whenever there is a news based market or trading happens, it's always advised that unless and until you exactly know what you're doing, then only you should take a trade. Otherwise, it's always good to stay away from the market. But anyways, when I saw this market forming, this was a completely bullish candle. And then when this candle opened out here and started trading, I took an entry out here. But I was expecting the market to go up till here. So this was again an instant fall. So my trailing stop loss got hit. So maybe roughly about 15-20 points is all that I could capture. So anyways, we'll see how market reacts on Monday. I will show you on the daily time frame as well. Now, interesting part is that this 1, 2, and 3 days of trading almost was happened in today's session. So we saw an almost about I would say about 186 points. So almost about 1% down. Nifty is almost 1% down. So now, interesting is that though Nifty has not given us a closing below this 18,030 level, but if we'll have to see how market reacts on Monday. So if Nifty starts closing around below this level, then we will see a further downfall, and we may see somewhere between this level, 17,850. Okay, so this is the next level that I have next support or next level I've drawn, but I don't think that it would come this down. But this level, if market starts closing somewhere around this level, then we may see Nifty come down to this level as well, 17,850. Now for us, the clean buy signal for us would be when Nifty gives us a closing somewhere between 18,280. This is on the longer time frame. Okay, so then we can see an uptrend in the market, and we still have a long way to go. The previous high was 18,870 levels, so then we can expect an upturn in the market. But again, we have to wait and watch and see how market reacts with the news that has come up today on Monday. So let's discuss about Bank Nifty again. So Bank Nifty, we saw similar pattern, huge gap down, almost about 800 points in the morning, if I remember. That was a gap down opening we saw. Bank Nifty also, instant buying happened in Bank Nifty. This candle just went very, very quickly. Within the first minute itself, it touched somewhere around here. The premium shot up very, very quickly. An interesting fact was that this candle high, and I'm talking about the strike price, and this candle after that, it made momentum up to here. The strike price level was almost similar. So that was how quickly we got the premium increase on the morning buying session. So I marked this opening candle for you. Bank Nifty opened somewhere about 43,110 level. It made a high about 43,588, then a day low of 42,582. So again, similar scenario in Bank Nifty as well, because of Hdfc Bank, huge selling pressure, and rest of the bank followed as well, as Kotak, Indus Bank, almost we lost about 5%, and HDFC Bank, yes, almost about 6%, and the rest of the bank, ICICI, Kotak, almost lost about, SBN lost about somewhere between 0.5 to 1%. So that's the reason why we saw this huge selling in the market today. So we'll have to wait and watch. Saturday and Sunday being on the weekend, I hope none of you have hold your position, because 2 days weekend is generally risky to hold your position, because we don't know exactly how the market will react on Monday. So we'll wait and watch and see what happens. So in Bank Nifty, I'll just show you in a daily time frame. So what interesting thing that you have to understand in Bank Nifty is that Bank Nifty opened somewhere out here in the daily time frame. We had a buying pressure, it went up, but what you have to see out here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yes, 7. So this candle today has covered 7 days of trading session. So that was how volatile Bank Nifty was today. So now Bank Nifty, though, has given us closing, it touched this level 42,890. If Bank Nifty had given a closing below this level, it would have been very, very tricky. But since Bank Nifty gave us a closing about 40,800, above 40,890 level, it'll be interesting to see how Bank Nifty reacts. Maybe we'll see a few days consolidation in this level, and we'll have a clear buy level only after Bank Nifty crosses 43,740 level on a daily time frame. So the next level somewhere would be expecting 44,100 level. So this is your analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty, friends, and I hope you learned something new as well today. Very, very volatile market, and I'm not very sure how many of you traded, but definitely who traded on the put side would have definitely made a huge profit today. So I hope you learned something new today as well, and if you have any questions regarding Bank Nifty and stocks, you can always feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you want to ask anything beside Bank Nifty and Nifty, you want to learn technicals about stock, how I do the trading and all, how I mark these levels and all, you can always feel free to ask me in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with it. So thank you, friends. See you all on Monday. Have a lovely weekend.